video. Make sure to subscribe, like, share. This took a little bit long to predict. It took like not that long. It took 20 minutes or 15 minutes, but I did it quickly because of you said on the comments make another unboxing video, so I had to do it quick. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment down below what was your favorite part in the video. Was it putting on the water slow motion and others? There's even there's a lot of like the good clips. There's a lot of good clips. There's a lot of favorite parts. What's your favorite part there? Make sure you subscribe, like, share. Comment down below what do you want me next to unbox, because tomorrow I'm gonna be unboxing another video and putting on YouTube, posting on YouTube. So stay tuned. Subscribe, like, share, and peace out.